Welcome back, fellow history enthusiast. You are watching Legendary Anime Tales, where we bring my story with a unique anime twist.
In the Colosseum, he was undefeated, but fate had a different arena in mind. On the day of a rare eclipse, lightning struck, and when he opened his eyes, he was no longer in Rome. December 7th, 1941. Pearl Harbor, a gladiator torn from his time, sent to witness history's turning points. This is the Time Gladiator.
The clash of steel has been replaced by the scream of sirens. The Time Gladiator stands among chaos, thrust into a war he never imagined. He charges through explosions, shielding civilians, as if driven by fate. But then, he sees it. On a dying soldier's neck, the symbol of Rome. Impossible. A Roman insignia, 2,000 years from its time. He wasn't sent here by chance. He was chosen, bound to a code older than history itself. But by who? And why him?
You need to watch this if you crave epic anime battles across time. A single medallion. A legacy that rewrites history itself. The flames of Pearl Harbor still smoldered when the Time Gladiator found a Roman eagle medallion glowing in a dying soldier's hand. Perpetuus testis historiae, the eternal witness of history. Suddenly, a rift tore reality apart, hurling him into feudal Japan's moonlit bamboo forests. Samurai circled, but a new threat emerged, a masked enemy, burning with violet fire, once a guardian himself. "You carry the last bloodline," he hissed. Swords clashed, cherry blossoms burned blue. With victory, the gladiator unlocked his true power, commanding the flow of time itself. Now he steps through a vortex of eras, from Atlantis to the moon landing, sworn to protect every legend. This is his destiny.
And I promise you I will guide you through the greatest adventures in human history. Oh, I was forgetting something important. A legendary thank you to all those who decided to travel through space-time together. See you soon.